Welcome to the country of Grenada. That's right, the same country that the United States liberated under the Reagan administration back in the 1980s. Well, we're going to take a ride up into the hills and see what interesting things Grenada has to offer. We could get on the Rum Runner, but nah, let's keep going. Spectacular views overlooking the town of St. George's. Below us is the Princess, Caribbean Princess, our ship. So how steep is this hill, you may wonder? Well, let's check it out. Ooh, that looks like a long, long way down.
Yeah.
When you come to Grenada, you gotta try a ting. Ting is a grapefruit soda. It's brewed here in Grenada, but it tastes exactly like pixie sticks. It's really sweet. We just went up a very windy road into the rainforest, Great Etang National Park. It's just beautiful up here. We're actually all the way up at 1,910 feet. Now let's see if we can get an interview with the Gecko lizard. What do you have to say, Gecko? Excuse me, Gecko. He's not saying much, is he? Nope. This is just incredibly gorgeous, Annandale Falls. Not only is it a gorgeous waterfall, but they also do cliff diving here.